Welcome to Learning Continuum. Today we'll be learning about Unitary Method, and the focus of our lesson today is going to be on calculating the value of many objects of the same kind when the value of one of these objects is given, and calculating the value of one object when the value of many of these objects of the same kind is given. Here comes a question. What is Unitary Method? The unitary method is a method in which you find the value of a unit and then the value of a required number of units. In this method, the value of many things is given and we need to find either the value of more or fewer things. In order to do that, we must first find the value of one thing by division and then find the value of more or fewer things through multiplication. Let's take an example. You go to the market to purchase 6 pencils. The shopkeeper tells you that he's selling 10 pencils for ₹100. The step 1 for solving this problem is going to be dividing the cost of many to get the cost of one object. So let's have a look at the data given. In the data, shopkeeper tells you that he is selling 10 pencils for ₹100. So, in order to get the cost of one pencil, we are going to divide 100 by ₹100 by 10. So, what is the cost of one pencil? Yes, you're right. So, the cost of one pencil equals to ₹10. Cost of a pencil. Now comes the step 2. The step 2 is going to be multiplying the cost of 1 to get the cost of required units. So you went to purchase 6 pencils here. So in order to calculate the cost of 6 pencils, we are going to multiply the cost of one pencil, that is ₹10, by the required number of units, that was 6. So what is going to be the cost of 6 pencils? Yes, that is ₹60. So ₹60 is going to be cost of 6 pencils. We will be solving some more problems together so that we get command over this unitary method. Let's take another example. A pile of 12 identical encyclopedias weigh 48 kilograms. How much would the whole set of 27 encyclopedias weigh? So, step 1. Dividing the cost of many to get the cost of one. So, let's have a look at the data again. The data tells us about the 12 identical encyclopedias and the weight is given 48 kilograms. So, what are we going to do first? We are going to divide 48 by 12. Yes, pause the video here and divide 48 by 12. Yes, that is going to be 4 kilograms. So one book weighs 4 kilograms. Since now we have the weight of one book, that is 4 kilograms, so it's easier to calculate the weight of 27 encyclopedias. So here comes the step 2. That is multiplying the cost of 1 by the number of required units, that is 27 encyclopedias. So in order to do that, we will multiply 27 by 4 kilograms, so that makes 108 kilograms. Let's solve another problem together. Ali can run 5 miles in 45 minutes. If he runs at the same rate, how long will it take him to run 18 miles? So, in order to solve this problem, again we are going to follow the 2 steps of unitary method. First, dividing to get the cost of 1 and then multiplying by for getting the required number of units. So, step 1, find out how long it would take to run 1 mile. So, pause the video here and divide to check that what is going to be how long will it take him to run 1 mile? Yes. If 5 miles take 45 minutes, so 1 mile will take? Yes, you're right, 9 minutes. Now what? Step 2. 1 mile takes 9 minutes. So 18 miles will take 18 times as long. So in order to get the value for the time required for 18 miles, we are going to multiply 9 minutes by 18. So 9 times 18 is 162 minutes. So that's all for today, students. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. Let's proceed to the Google Classroom to attempt the assignment.